All right, this is picking up where we left off from the prior video. Hopefully you stopped at around 620 from that one. So what this is going to go through is adding the entry roof. So you should be on option 2 right now so entry roof, option 2. Everything should look sort of grayed out like this. What you need to do is go to the south elevation view. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a roof right here, but you need to be on the south elevation view so that you can pick a plane to draw on. So you're going to come to Architecture tab, click the drop down, and say Model in Place. So what we're going to do is actually extrude a roof. So you're going to come down here and pick a roof. Hit OK. This is entry roof. Hit OK. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually click Extrusion. This is very similar to Inventor. So we're going to extrude, but it needs to know what plane on which are we going to draw the sketch. So hit OK to this. And you want to zoom in until you get this wall. Okay. So now what we want is this type of arc. We're going to draw a round roof of some kind. We'll see it in just a minute. And where you want to pick is first you change the depth. So this is how far out from the surface the roof is going to go. So it's 2 feet. And that's all you need to change there. All right. Now what you want to do is you're going to pick right on the bottom here and lining up with this. Pick from there. The second pick is going to be over here in the same location. And the third pick is going to be right there at the middle of the window. And we have our first arc drawn. Now you're going to draw another arc 7 1/4 inches above it. So you hit escape, and now I'm going to enter 7.25 inches up here. The offset, I'm going to pick the same points that I did before. And you can see that it's actually offsetting my points. And pick the midpoint here, and now you have an exact arc offset. And now you just need to come up to here, hit escape, of course, draw a straight line to close the 2 ends of the roof off. Oops, I forgot to, so I'm going to hit undo, and you need to change the offset back to 0. Because this, you want it to actually close that off. Because just like in Inventor, you need it to be a closed sketch. All right, I'm going to hit escape and hit the green check bar. And now I have a roof done. So, all right, so if you look at this, before you hit finish, you want to change the material of this roof. So instead of saying by category, you're going to come in here, and you're going to pick metal roofing. If you scroll down, there it is, metal roofing. So it might look a little strange on this house. I have a metal roof, but they just want you to see how you can change different materials. All right, now you can hit OK, and now you can say up here the green check is finished model. All right, now you're going to move the roof down a little bit because it looks funny to have it be in that point. All right, so you click on the roof, and now you can literally just hit arrow keys and move it down. You want to move it until there's none of the shingles showing above it. That looks about good. All right, so now you are done with the entry roof. Zoom out. You will see if you go back to your 3D view, there's the entry roof. I'm still set to option 2. So now I'm going to set this back to main model. And now that's what you should expect to see, because the 3D view should have your original house on here. So now to get the entry roof to show up, you want to duplicate this view yet again. So duplicate, and you want this to be renamed entry option 2. All right, so now I'm going to go to View, Visibility and Graphics, pick your design options here, and you want both sets to be design set 2, which means you're going to have the different windows and a roof added to it. So you can see you have your tall windows and you have this metal curved roof on there. That's it. That's how you do your design options. You are now done. You should have 3 different 3D views here, and that's how you toggle between them. That's just the tall windows, and this should be your original.